Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Anshu and in today's video we will be talking about dainty jewelry and where you can shop the best collection from, and also these shops or stores are sources where you can actually buy authentic and like real anti-tarnish jewelry. So like this one, and this is my favorite combo, although I've bought it differently, and this is a butterfly and this is a bow. I know this is different, but दूर से देखो, if you see it from far off, it looks quite same. So I like to pair them both together. But before wasting any more time, let's proceed ahead. So first store that you can shop your dainty jewelry from is Weekend Lane. This is an Instagram store. I bought this necklace from this store. This is my absolute favorite one. This is a bow here. This one is an anti-tarnish. I'll also show you around some of their collection. Absolutely love it. I feel like buying more and more from them. I would also like to mention that this video is not at all sponsored, so you can actually trust all the recommendations that I am providing it to you. So second name in the list is Accessorize India or Accessorize London. This is a very popular store. I have been watching this store since my childhood. We used to go and visit this store in malls. I used to tell my mom that I want to buy this, I want to buy that, and me and my sister used to discuss it all. Okay, let's buy this, let's buy that. If you're someone who likes to accessorize yourself with cute jewelry, then I think Accessorize India has the best collection. So I wanted to buy this cute butterfly earrings. These are anti-tarnish. I've been using this from last 8-9 months. So this one is something that you can also purchase. So the third store that I would like to recommend you guys is actually one of our favorite online stores, which is Savannah, and I love buying jewelry from them. I've recently bought one. So because this one has different vibe, I bought another one, guys. I'm honestly very obsessed with butterflies and all of that things. Okay, so this particular one is in pink. This butterfly is in pink. I love it. Okay, and again we have these earrings in pink. Guys, don't ask. I'm honestly very obsessed with pink and butterflies or bow designs. So the thing about Savannah is they have their jewelry similar to Shein, and I believe all of us are quite aware that Shein had the best collection in terms of jewelry. So does Savannah or Urbanic. Since Savannah is a sister brand of Urbanic, it has actually really good anti-tarnish jewelry. As per my experience, these jewelry pieces don't last you more than a year if you use it regularly, because I am a constant user of these anti-tarnish jewelry. I keep using them on daily basis. But if you're someone who uses dainty jewelry on special occasions or on some events, so you can actually make them last for more than a year. And also you'll have to keep them airtight. Also keep a note to not to apply any perfume or spray on the jewelry to make them last longer. So the fourth store that I would like to recommend you guys is actually H&M. H&M has the best collection, as you might know. As you guys might know that H&M has the best collection in terms of dainty jewelry. They keep updating it every week. So I love their collection. Right now, if you go and buy, there are a lot of new things that you can add it to your cart. So this one in particular that are trending on the IG or are literally trending everywhere, I bought these from H&M. This is a heart-shaped necklace piece. I hope this is visible. And again, these are all anti-tarnish. You can actually make them last for a year. Okay, last one but not the least, I have a really good Instagram store which you can buy your dainty jewelry from. This one in particular has exceptionally beautiful jewelry collection. Their designs are quite different than the rest, and they have a huge collection. This is not like any regular Instagram store, and they are quite reliable. Currently they have approx 2 lakh subscribers, so you can trust this brand also. So this brand is called I Blame Bleeds. This one is a quite tricky one, I know, but the collection is exceptionally beautiful and is really different from the rest, believe me. So this is the piece that I've recently bought from them. Guys, I would like to mention this thing, that when I ordered from iGleam Bleeds, the best thing that I loved about purchasing from them was my order was dispatched within the same day. This was like something that I haven't experienced as of now, because even Myntra or big banner brands don't dispatch on the same day. But my order, so I had ordered 2 to 3 items from their brand recently, and all 3 items were dispatched on the same day. I was really shocked, and it was delivered within, I believe, 2 days. So I would highly recommend you checking their Instagram page or their website. And with that, here is all my 5 recommendations for you to buy your dainty jewelry. I will also be linking the store names in the description below. Now you let me know in the comment section if you have purchased anything from these brands and what was your experience like. With that, let's wrap this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And yes, I'll see you next time. Bye.